Welcome to Trying to Learn. Today's topic, volcanoes.
Volcanoes. Earth's fiery mountains. Boom. That's the sound of a volcano erupting, one of Earth's most powerful forces. But do you know why it happens? Today, you will master the key vocabulary to describe volcanoes. Let's explore these fiery mountains together. What's the difference between magma and lava? First, a quick challenge. Do you know the difference between magma and lava? What is a volcano? A volcano is a mountain that acts like a vent, an opening in the Earth's crust where hot gases, ash, and molten rock can escape. Inside the volcano, volcanoes form when that hot melted rock, called magma, pushes upward through cracks. When this magma reaches the surface, we give it a new name, lava. Dormant versus extinct, a sleeping volcano versus a sealed-off one. Active and quiet. Some volcanoes erupt often. Others stay quiet for hundreds of years. We call a sleeping volcano dormant, but if it's unlikely to ever erupt again, we call it extinct. Vocabulary spotlight: repetition and association. Important scientific terms. Erupt, an explosion occurs. Our first word is erupt. It means to burst out suddenly with great power. The volcano is about to erupt. Crust. The crust is the Earth's hard, outer layer, like the skin of an apple. This is where we live. Magma. Magma is the hot, melted rock inside the Earth. Remember, magma is always underground. Lava. Lava equals outside. Lava is the same melted rock, but outside the volcano. Lava flows on the surface. Task: pause the video, write a sentence using the word lava. Take a moment. Can you use the word lava in your own sentence? Share it below. Comprehension check: focus on main ideas. Time to check your understanding. Question 1. What is the melted rock called when it is still inside the Earth? Answer: if you said magma, you are correct. Magma is inside. Question 2. What is the main difference between a dormant and an extinct volcano? Answer: dormant equals sleeping, may erupt. Extinct equals unlikely to erupt. A dormant one is sleeping and may erupt again, but an extinct one is finished forever. Comment if you got both right. Did you get both right? If so, drop a fire emoji in the comments. Closing. Key learning points: magma versus lava, dormant versus extinct. Brilliant work today. You've sharpened your reading, expanded your scientific vocabulary, and learned about one of nature's biggest wonders. Please click on the like button, share, and subscribe for more mysteries. If you found this lesson helpful, please like this video and subscribe to Channeling to Learn for more science topics. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.